How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. In order to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger, first of all, you have to launch Messenger on your mobile device. In order to launch Messenger on your mobile device, you have to tap on Messenger for a while and your Messenger will be launched. Now in the search section of the Messenger, search the person whom you want to search. And I search Ranjana Awasthi here. After that, you have to go to the I option there. After you go to the I option there, you will see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of restrict. Now after you tap on restrict, you will see an interface like this, and the very person that you searched will be restricted. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the three lines on the top, and then you have to go to the settings icon on the top. After going to the settings icon on the top, you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you have to go to the option of privacy and safety. After you go to the option of privacy and safety, now you have to tap on the option of restricted accounts. After you tap on the restriction accounts, now you have to tap on the person whom you had restricted just now. After you tap on the person you have restricted just now, tap on unrestrict. Likewise, you can also go to the next person whom you had restricted and just go to the option of continue and unrestrict the person as well. After you unrestrict the problem like this, now the very problem that you wanted to solve will be solved and your end encryption will be turned off. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.